seventh module of SQL learning series is going on, and in this video we'll learn about the function. A function is a set of SQL statements that perform a specific task. Store procedures and functions looks like a same, but store procedure cannot be called within SQL statement, but functions we can call in an SQL statement. And there are two types of functions: built-in functions and user-defined function. And the built-in function is like a date time, which returns the date, and this is the current times underscore timestamp. This is the built-in function. It will give us the current time when we will execute this query. So this built-in function is returning the current date and time. And this is a user-defined function. This is a scalar value function. The scalar value function is accepting one or more parameters and giving us only one value. Mean it can accept one or more than one parameters but returns only one value. And this is a syntax of a user-defined function: create function and the function name, and this is the parameter of the function, and it will return the value worker 50. And this is the logic of the function. Here this function will return the name of the country when we will pass it to the country ID. So I'm going to create this function, and then I can use this function in the SQL query statements. Like I'm using this query here, I'm getting the value of employee ID, employee English name, and this I'm using this function, and in the function I will pass the nationality, which is a country ID, to this function, and it will return the name of the country in this query. So let's see how the result is when I'm executing. So this is the employee ID and this is the employee name, and then this nationality, which is the country name, is coming through the function, because in this table, employee table, only the IDs are existed for the country, but the name is existing in the country table. So scalar valued function is working like this, and this is the table valued user function. It will return the table instead of one value. So we can create like this. Here is the syntax for table valued function: create function, function name, and this we will pass the department ID to this function, and it will return the table, and it will use the logic like this: select employee ID, employee name, and department name from employee, and we will join the department table, and then it will return all these values from two tables in the form of as a table output parameter. So I'm going to create this function. Now this function, table valued function, will return us a table when we are giving the department ID. So I want to see all the employees which belongs to the department ID 5. So this is the department ID 5 is the sales project department, and these all are employees belongs to this department. So the table valued function returns the data in the form of the table.